me, Griffin. I'm milking me a cow. Moo for me.
Moo!
Louder!
Moo!
Louder!
Moo!
Louder!
Moo! Ah!
That's right. Get it nice and clean.
Next time, that'll be you.
Well, why wasn't it him this time?
Oh, I'm so scared.
Peter, stop it!
Yeah, you're real big when you got that stick, ain't you? Okay, I'll stop now.
I do hope nothing happens to spoil this fancy dinner party.
Who else but Quagmire?
What the hell is that?
Damn it, Peter! Your plane set my lawn on fire!
Yeah, that ought to cover it.